This morning we're heading down the southern part of the island down by Bang Bao Pier. I'll probably be on the pier too. But yeah, let me see if I can get some really cool stuff today. Yeah, cool stuff. Let's go find cool stuff. Boats right there. I love boats. Say hi to YouTube.
Ada sambudu châu Á musim gugur di Asia. Asia เหรอ ฤดูใบไม้ร่วงในเอเชีย
Yup, yup, yup. Hey, Sawadi. This brings back memories. I had this very same job when I was in Guam. It's Sume Cove Marina. That's what we'd clean the sides with sponge and check for any damage, but mostly it was just cleaning. Yeah, and also we dropped some buoys out for our moorage. Big old huge cement things. Yep, brings back memories. Well, okay, hey, I did a little bit something different on this video, as you probably are well aware of right now. But tell me if you like it. Please leave a comment below. I had a great time making this video, cruising around on the motorbike and filming it, and also I had a great time editing it. But, this was a nice fishing village here. Sometimes I feel funny going in the villages because, well, that's people's homes and stuff, but you know, majoring in anthropology, I cannot resist. But the people were really nice, and I talked to a few people, and they were really cool about everything. And yeah, well, here what we got right here is Bang Bao Pier, and I will let my other half, Kelly, tell you about it. There you go. It's really nice. Very, very quiet today. I mean, I don't hear anybody talking about me. Oh wow, this is peaceful. Okay, we just got on Bang Bao Pier. This is actually a pier. About half of it is covered with stores and restaurants, hotels, and some of them look quite inviting. Gotta watch where you're walking here. Don't wanna sprain my ankle here, or any other place for that matter. Okay, you gotta watch my other video for that one. But yeah, real nice, peaceful out here. Beautiful. Now, I've always wanted to spend a couple of nights out here at the Buddha View. A little hotel here, overlooking the water. If I'm not, seems to be closed right now. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, 10, maybe almost 11. Yeah, I got out and about early this time. Imagine that. Honey, where'd you park the car? Oh, I parked it over there. Okie dokie. A lot of people here today. Saturday morning. Probably a lot of people going out sightseeing and snorkeling, because that's the thing. Oh, big truck, I mean big bus must have came in. Alrighty. Well, just like when I was on Koh Chang Island in Bangkok, these little small elevated sidewalks with either muck or water, depending on the tide on either side of you, is a little weird to drive because it's just like, oh crap. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not quite over yet. I got a couple more seconds, so stick in there. And if you are still here, you are definitely part of the fan club. All right, well, thanks a lot. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this format, because I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you had some enjoyment watching it.